Power BI, Tableau, Click. Which one is right for you? Hi, I'm Brian Amrine with Value Driven Analytics, and in this video, we'll take a look at some of the trends and differences across these three popular tools for interactive visualization. With that said, let's head over to our PowerPoint. Now, in terms of popularity, this is very interesting. This is a fascinating trend in the analytics industry. You'll notice that Tableau, wow, they came out of the gate. They've been the most popular interactive visualization tool for a long time. You can see that here in blue. But look at this. Starting, in the mid 2010s, Power BI comes in and ramps up extremely quickly. And in the last few months, there have actually been more Google searches for Power BI than Tableau. Can't you just imagine the folks at Microsoft throwing a big party right around here? Click is another somewhat common interactive visualization tool, but you can see that for the entire time period here, Click has had far fewer Google searches than Tableau especially, and at this point Power BI too. So that gives you a sense for how popular these tools are. Now, with all of the tools that we've talked about, if you know one tool in that area, like if you know one interactive visualization tool or one at least coding data manipulation tool, learning another one becomes a lot easier than certainly learning the first interactive visualization tool that you did or the first coding data manipulation tool. So if you can just learn one tool in each area and master that, if you're applying for a role that maybe uses Tableau and you've used Power BI in the past, learning Tableau should be a very easy process. So don't let that get in the way if you're not familiar with the tool that a particular company is using. Usually most companies understand that as well, and they've seen that to be the case. If you like this video, I hope you'll consider liking it formally. And if you'd like to see more analytics, data science, and leadership training videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. Finally, if you have any questions on what we discussed today, please leave a comment and I'll try to respond to it as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.